Watch as raw wood reaches its final, breathtaking form in this satisfying transformation. This video captures the beauty of finished craftsmanship, where precision, patience, and natural material come together to create something truly incredible. At Crafted Wood Studio, every piece tells a story through its texture, grain, and refined detail. This is more than just woodworking, it's about revealing the hidden beauty within. If you enjoy calming, satisfying transformations and creative craftsmanship, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring creations. In the quiet stillness of a workshop, something remarkable has already happened. What you're about to see isn't just wood, it's transformation captured in its final form. A journey that began with something raw, uneven, and full of imperfections has now become something refined, purposeful, and undeniably beautiful. At first glance, it might seem simple. Just wood, shaped and polished. But look closer, every curve, every edge, every surface carries intention. This is where patience meets precision. Where time, effort, and vision come together to create something that speaks without saying a single word. There's a certain kind of magic in finished craftsmanship. Not loud, not overwhelming, but quietly powerful. The kind that makes you pause for a second longer than usual. The kind that makes you wonder how something so natural could be guided into something so refined. Notice the smoothness of the surface. That didn't happen by accident. It's the result of countless careful passes, each one removing just enough to reveal what was hidden underneath. Layer by layer, the roughness disappeared, replaced by a texture that feels almost alive. And then there's the grain. The grain tells a story that no tool can create. It was always there, waiting. The role of the craftsman isn't to impose something new, but to uncover what already exists. To follow the lines, to respect the natural flow, and to bring forward the character that was buried inside. As light moves across the surface, it changes. Subtle reflections shift, patterns emerge, and suddenly the piece feels dynamic, almost as if it's moving, even while standing completely still. That's the beauty of a well-finished creation, it interacts with its surroundings in ways that feel effortless. But what truly makes this transformation incredible isn't just how it looks. It's what it represents. Every finished piece is the result of decisions. Small ones, made moment by moment. How much to remove, where to refine, when to stop. These decisions aren't random, they're guided by experience, by instinct, and by a deep understanding of the material itself. And perhaps that's what makes handcrafted work so different. In a world where so much is automated and mass-produced, there's something deeply human about this process. You can feel it in the final result. It's not just shaped, it's considered. It's not just completed, it's cared for. Take a moment to notice the edges. They're not harsh. Not abrupt. They've been softened, carefully adjusted to create a sense of balance. That balance is what makes the piece feel complete. Nothing feels out of place. Nothing feels forced. Everything flows together in quiet harmony. And then there's the finish. This is where everything comes together. Where the surface is sealed, protected, and enhanced. The finish doesn't just preserve, it reveals. It deepens the tones, highlights the details, and gives the piece a presence that wasn't visible before. It's the final step, but it's also the moment where everything becomes clear. What was once just a block of wood is now something that draws attention, something that invites touch, something that holds a presence of its own. And yet, despite all the refinement, it still feels natural. That's the balance that defines true craftsmanship. Not losing the essence of the material, but elevating it. Not hiding its origins, but celebrating them. If you look closely, you'll notice that nothing about this piece feels rushed. That's because it wasn't. Good work takes time. It requires patience, focus, and a willingness to slow down. In a fast-paced world, that alone is something worth appreciating. This isn't just about making something look good. It's about creating something that feels right. Something that lasts. Something that carries a sense of purpose long after it's finished. And that's what you're seeing here. A finished piece that holds more than just its shape. It holds effort. It holds intention. It holds a quiet story of transformation, from something ordinary to something truly incredible. As you continue to watch, let yourself take it in. The details. The textures. The way light interacts with the surface. Because these are the moments where craftsmanship reveals itself, not in loud statements, but in subtle, undeniable presence. And maybe, just maybe, it changes the way you see wood altogether. Not just as a material, but as something full of potential. Something waiting to be shaped, refined, and brought to life. Something that, in the right hands, can become far more than anyone expects. If this transformation sparks something in you, even just a small sense of curiosity, then you're already seeing what makes this process so special. Because it's not just about the final result. It's about the journey that led here, even if all you see now is the outcome. And sometimes, that's enough. Sometimes, witnessing the result is all it takes to appreciate the process behind it. Before you go, take one last look. Let your eyes follow the lines, the edges, the surface. Notice how everything comes together so effortlessly. That's not coincidence. That's craftsmanship. And if you found this as fascinating to watch as it is to create, there's more waiting for you. Writing. If this piece captured your attention, consider subscribing to Crafted Wood Studio for more transformations that bring raw materials to life. Share this with someone who appreciates creativity and detail, and don't forget to like the video. It truly helps the channel grow and keeps the inspiration flowing. Your support makes every creation possible. What is this?